how we can understand the data use, availability of data. So there's some efforts related to this will be really important as well. It's as precursor before that you start building your AI models and the solutions that's needed for achieving the value from implementation of AI. I will add to that as well, there is a big or important role that APRI plays here, and APRI has built a benchmarking framework and implemented this framework right now to test, I would say, available open source and non-open source models. Beyond the benchmarking to look into the safe performance of the AI models. Are these AI models safe enough to be used in real world scenarios? To what extent they are explainable, to what extent they are fair, to what extent they are capable of delivering on the specific needs from safety perspective. And that's a very interesting as well aspect that APRI want to make a contribution to safe AI deployment. And that's really, in my perspective, one of the things that holding utility back from, I would say, major adoption of AI in the industry.
The utilities are doing the right thing. So the right thing now is to test, is to prove, is to play with it. The AI is evolving very fast, so it's very difficult to figure out right now what are exactly the main improvements that we can do in our activities. I think we need really to go one step back, to forget for a moment what the normal way we used to do the things, and think that now we have a different piece of the puzzle that will transform everything that we do. So I see it exactly like the surf. You see this crowd of surfers just there on the water, waiting for the next wave. Some guys are more expert than the others. Some guys have a better board than the others. But in the end, they are all a team. They are part of the same game. And this is exactly the same now, currently with AI. So there are some companies that are very good at understanding, figuring out what is the real opportunity that's coming with that particular wave in the horizon. There are others that are still trying to manage the best way to keep on top of the board. But I will say that in the end, it's a matter of cooperating and learning with one with the others, and just to find the best way when navigating and surfing the wave.